Welcome back to the next installment of our hip-proof gazebo construction journey. In this part, we're diving into the foundational framework that will support our structure. First, we specifically framed the area with 2x6 lumber, ensuring every corner was square and every surface level. This step is crucial for the stability and integrity of our gazebo foundation when we pour our concrete. Next, we planned and prepared for the installation of the 6x6 standoff column bases. These bases will provide the sturdy foundation for our gazebo support columns. With precision and care, we set up each column base, ensuring that they were perfectly aligned and securely anchored into the ground using concrete. These bases will hold the 6x6 post lumber. To reinforce the concrete slab that will serve as our gazebo foundation, we strategically placed rebars within the framed area. This additional reinforcement will enhance the strength and durability of our structure. Now we are ready to pour out concrete. Join us in the next part as we pour the concrete slab and move one step closer to bringing our vision to life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow on our construction adventure.